Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use creatine for fat loss. First, understand that creatine primarily aids in building and maintaining muscle mass. More muscle means your body burns more calories throughout the day, even when you're not exercising. This metabolic boost is crucial for creating the calorie deficit needed for effective fat loss. It also enhances your workout performance, allowing for more intense and productive training sessions. To maximize creatine's benefits for fat loss, consider a loading phase. Take 20 grams of creatine daily for 5 to 7 days, splitting it into 4 5-gram servings throughout the day. After this initial period, a maintenance dose of 3 to 5 grams daily is sufficient. Consistency is key, so try to take it around the same time each day, perhaps post-workout or with a meal, to ensure optimal absorption and effectiveness. Creatine alone won't magically melt fat. It's a powerful tool when combined with a strategic approach. Ensure you're in a consistent calorie deficit, meaning you consume fewer calories than you burn. Focus on a high-protein diet to support muscle repair and growth, which creatine enhances. Incorporate both strength training to build muscle and cardiovascular exercise to burn additional calories, creating a comprehensive fat loss strategy. Beyond fat loss, creatine offers several benefits, including increased strength and power, allowing for more effective workouts. It also helps preserve valuable muscle mass when you're cutting calories, which is vital for maintaining a healthy metabolism. Remember to stay well hydrated, as creatine draws water into your muscles. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. For more great resources, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.